Have you ever wondered how to live well on a budget? Welcome to a comprehensive guide on frugal living tips and hacks, where we explore how to make the most of your resources and minimize unnecessary expenses. Frugal living is not about deprivation, it's about making intentional choices to prioritize needs, cut unnecessary expenses, and maximize the value of every penny spent. It's about distinguishing between essential expenses, those things you can't live without, and discretionary spending, the wants that you could potentially forego. Adopting a frugal mindset encourages value-oriented spending, seeking high-quality, long-lasting products and experiences that provide the most value for your money. It's about challenging the notion of constant consumption and focusing instead on experiences, relationships, and personal growth. The cornerstone of frugal living is budgeting and tracking expenses. Creating a detailed budget that outlines income, fixed and variable expenses, and savings goals is essential. Coupled with diligent expense tracking, this approach ensures you stay within your budget and identify areas where you can cut back. Housing is often the biggest expense. Consider downsizing if your current living situation is more than you need. Alternatively, exploring housing options such as shared housing, co-living spaces, or renting out a spare room could generate additional income. When it comes to groceries, planning meals in advance can reduce food waste and ensure you only buy what you need. Making use of coupons, cashback apps and sales, buying in bulk, and opting for generic brands can all lead to significant savings. Transportation costs can also be reduced. Public transportation, carpooling, biking, and even walking are viable options. Regular vehicle maintenance can improve fuel efficiency and extend the lifespan of your car, saving you money in the long run. Energy expenses can be cut by implementing energy-efficient practices like using LED bulbs, sealing windows, and using programmable thermostats. Even simple steps like turning off or unplugging appliances and electronics when they're not in use can reduce standby power consumption and lower your energy bill. Entertainment doesn't have to be expensive. Free events, parks, and cultural attractions offer enjoyment without the hefty price tag. Libraries and affordable streaming services provide access to books, movies, and digital content. Finally, adopting a do-it-yourself and repurposing mindset can extend the life of your possessions. Learn basic repair skills and fix items before replacing them. Find creative ways to repurpose items for new uses. In summary, frugal living is an intentional approach to managing finances. It involves creating a frugal mindset, budgeting and tracking expenses, saving on housing, grocery shopping and transportation costs, cutting energy expenses, limiting entertainment costs, and embracing DIY and repurposing. With these tips and hacks, you can live well on a budget, focusing on what truly matters